Hey guys, this is LG Smart Tech. Ngayon, meron akong bagong deliver from Amazon. Another gadget, smart technology gadget. So now here. So look at it. This is nice and exciting for our smart home technology. Okay, so let's start unbox this nice one from Amazon. Okay, this is IP camera or smart camera for your home. So this is look at this 1080p. So it's HD, two-way communication. So also 360 panoramic. There's also infrared night vision. Another one is some multi-speed playback. So I think this is another advantage of this camera from this brand. So this is Email Lab Home Security Camera Basic. So this is a product. This is one of the product of Xiaomi. So now let's start to unbox the always all the product has this user manual. So look at this. So, product overview, product installation. Look at this. So the barcode, it's available on App Store and Google Play. The app that we need to use for this camera. So look at this. Another thing, another good thing on this product, you can put a micro SD card. So let's check how many micro SD card or how many gigabytes we can put. I think it's not displaying here. So anyway, the important is there's a backup micro SD card. Really nice. Because the other products don't have any micro SD card, but on this, I think if you will put 12 gig or 32 gigabytes, 30 gigabytes micro SD, I think it will record for how many hours, and that's nice. That's backup storage. Even though this product also cloud storage, so it's free cloud storage, I think. So this is the user's manual. So next, let's see what is this. So what's this? I think this is all the. So this is the adapter. So look at this adapter. And this is, I think, if you will hang the camera on the ceilings, I think this is the one. This is the thing that you need to fix it on the ceiling or anywhere on the wall or ceiling. So this is the cable. Let's check this. So I think it's very long, and it's enough to put it on the ceiling. Okay, so here. So what we have now. So this is the next here is the camera. So the camera, nice packaging. So now that is all the things inside. So next, we need to test this product. This is important. After the delivery, we need to test it right away. You know, if the product has a defect or something, so you can just send it back to them if there's any problem with the product. And then guys, this is just for the information. So what is the importance of this camera, or what is the advantage of this camera? First, this is a smart camera. So there's a sensors, or even the infrared on the front and the camera, and there's a sensors if you are moving. I think this is a the 360 degrees movement. And what is the difference in between the conventional one or the previous cameras that we have in our home? I think this is more smart. That's what it is, smart camera, than the previous camera that we have in our home. That's only recording. They have the previous one has a recording, but I think there is no any cloud-based storage, or no any notification that you will receive on your smart phone. This camera now has technology that it can send the notification on your phone in a real time. This is very nice. Smart home. It's really, if you are creating your own, you want to build your smart home in your own home. So this is nice one. It's nice technology, and we have a lot of technology, which is now it's very smart. So we will just check this one and how this, the function. And let's check now. Eddie, what we need to do now? Mi home app.
Waiting for connection.
So we need. Okay guys, now ngayon, paano natin i-connect ang camera na to dito sa Mi Home app. So kung wala pa kayong application, so just download it on the Play Store, or if you have an iPhone, so download sa App Store, Apple App Store. So now, dahil marami akong product from Xiaomi, I already have the apps from them. So I already created an account. So ngayon, nag-set up na ako ng may settings na ako dito. Dati pa, dahil nga sa aking mga dati ng products from Xiaomi on the same brand. So I already have an account. So for you guys, magawa kayo ng account na sa inyo, then start to add a device on it. So now, what you will see now is the screen. So here on the app, so just tap add a device. So kung maririnig natin at ang device ay ready na for connection. Sets that device ready for connection. So, kung maririnig natin yan, nagbi-blink. It's blinking yellow. So, it's the device ready. Pero, meron tayong dalawang klase kung paano i-add itong device na ito. Merong automatically, it's already from, I think this is from Bluetooth connection. So, it detected automatically. Now, ngayon naman, i-add natin siya manually. May option din tayong i-add siya manually. And dahil dito sa app ng Mi Home app ay makikita natin yung mga product nila, napakarami. So, all your smart home products here, even lighting, power switch, household security, air treatment. So, there's a lot of things. Sensor. Ito, ang dami na. Kitchen, entertainment, home appliance. So it's just like all your smart home gadget is here. So what you can do, you can add manually also, as I mentioned earlier. At naririto nga yung product na ito, itong IMI Lab Home Security Camera Basic. So ito yon. So just tap camera. And dito, makikita natin. So, one by one instruction ay naririto. Hindi na tayo malilito kasi napaka-easy tayo. Sanay tayo sa gadgets. Sanay tayo sa cellphone. So, the same thing, itong mga ganitong product ay ating madaling masusundan. So, ngayon, i-try natin. So, ang sinasabi dito ay please insert the needle into the resetting hole of camera and hold it for about 3 seconds until the indicator light turns yellow. So, kung mapapansin natin, ito it's already blinking yellow and it's reset. Now, gawin natin, i-reset natin yung camera.
Reset complete. Device booting. Please wait.
Yes. Yan yung kailangan nating marinig pagka tapos na nating gawin yung reset procedure. So, let's wait for a while. So, ang ginawa natin dito ay yung manual adding of the device. Kung mapapansin nyo na nakaraan ay merong automatic,
Scan QR code or use
which is we
Bluetooth
can
to pair
see.
the device. Waiting for connection.
So now it's resetted now. So reset na siya. Next step. So wait until you hear a voice prompt. Then
Waiting for connection.
yeah, it's waiting for connection. So just tick this and then next. Now, so eto na, i-connect na natin siya sa ating network. Yun ang importante para siya ay connected even kahit kayo nasa saan lugar
Waiting for
at
connection.
gusto nyo makita ang loob ng inyong bahay or pa-monitor nyo yung bahay, masilip nyo yung inyong mga mahal sa buhay or ang inyong mga anak para masigurado nyo sila ay secured or eto yun, kailangan natin siyang i-connect sa network or sa internet or sa wifi natin. So, na-connect ko na ito dati. So, kasi may mga account na yung account ko the same. Ngayon, i-next ko na. Oh, yes. Okay. So now, paano ba itong gagawin natin sa pag-connect? Medyo tricky siya kasi baka akalain natin na automatically magko-connect na siya pagkatapos nating may connect sa network or Ngayon, kailangan mo pang i-scan yung barcode by the camera. Ito yung barcode na nasa harap na nakikita nyo. Yun ang i-scan nyo sa camera. Hindi yung camera, hindi katulad nung iniisip natin na ito yung barcode na i-scan natin by camera or something like that. So, itong barcode na ito, i-scan nyo sa camera nitong ating device. So ito yung barcode. Ang gagawin lang natin ay itipat natin yung barcode dito sa camera para mabasa siya. Okay?
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting.
Yes.
Please wait.
Yes. Okay. So, kung narinig nyo naman, connected na siya. And then,
Connection to Wi-Fi completed.
yes, it's
Pairing to account completed.
Yeah.
Device online.
Yeah. Okay. So, automatically, the device now ay narito na tayo sa it's already connected, and then ito na. Ngayon, kailangan natin select yung room kung saan ba natin ilalagay itong ating camera. And now, I think we need to put a living room. So, living room. The device name, so we can still edit the name. Ilalagay lang natin yung kung ano mang gustong pangalan ng ating gusto nyo ilagay para matandaan natin yung inyong gadget or camera. So we can go now. Next. So may option din dito na share device with. So kung kayo ay may mga relative or kasama sa bahay na gusto nyo i-share yung device, so kung meron silang account dun sa Xiaomi or dun sa kailangan sila mismo ay pwedeng mag-control dito sa camera or something. Let's get started. Ngayon, tingnan natin gaano ba kalinaw ang camera at paano siya gamitin. Well, napakalinaw. So, bye for now. This is LG Smart Tech. Subscribe lang kayo dun sa mga gagawin ko pang video. At sana may matutunan kayo dito sa pag-setup. Dahil minsan talagang nakakalito mag-setup ka ng mga gadgets katulad nito. Lalo na at wala kayong nakita pa or experience sa mga ganitong smart technology or smart home technology. So it's easy kung i-browse nyo agad sa YouTube na how to do it, and it's really hassle free para sa inyo. Napaka ganda ng gamit ng ating technology katulad ng YouTube na marami tayong instruction na matututunan, at katulad ko nga ganun din ang aking ginagawa, at ngayon i-share ko naman sa inyo. So just like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, LG Smart Tech. Bye for now.